Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to install the Ikea Kallax, or actually build it. So here's the parts. There's the big long side, the shorter side. Make sure you put the ones with the multiple holes on the inside because you're going to need that to build the cubes. Okay, so first thing you want to do is take two of the long screws shown in the picture. Okay, and just screw it into the one corner. So we're going to create like an L basically. Okay, so I'm going to use your Allen wrench. I actually had a little tool, but I ended up using the Ikea tool that came with it, this one. Just more torque, more leverage. Okay, so you just put it in the slot there and then just turn it. Okay, just like that. So make those two bolts tight, and then we're going to start with the 1,000,000 pegs for this thing. So I turned it up on its side, and then hammer in the 4 pegs. You'll hear a big sound difference when it's all the way in. It gets a lot louder, so that's when you know that it's all the way in. Okay, so put the 4 in there. Okay, and then turn it back down on its side. Or put the first cube part in first. So just line it up with the pegs and then just put it into place, bang it into place with your hands. And then you want to turn it over back on its side. Okay, so another 4 pegs. And then this time you're going to take one of the longer pieces after you get the pegs in, and you're going to put that into place. So pegs first, same thing. You'll hear a big loud difference when it's all the way in. Okay, then put this one in. So if you're struggling with it, turn it on its side and push down like this. Makes it a lot easier. Okay, and then 4 more pegs. So this one you're going to hammer actually into the shorter side, the shorter table, I don't know, shorter piece. And again, you'll hear it when it's all the way in. It'll make a lot louder noise. Okay, so once you get those 4 in, then you're going to repeat the same thing like 2 more times. But if you want to hack it and leave one piece out, instead of putting the short side in, put one of the longer sides in. And then that's really it. And then you're going to have to cut 2 of the pegs. So that way, when you put the shorter side in on the bottom, the peg is not sticking out. So if you want to hack it, go for it. Okay, so after you get all of them in, same thing. Repeat like 2 times. Then what you want to do is put 16 pegs in, all the bottoms in that one side. And then you want to put the other long piece on. So make sure it's lined up. And then just push it down. You know, it'll obviously go in place if it's all lined up. Okay, this will be nice and flat. Okay, just like that. And then what you want to do is go back to your first side and screw in the other 2 screws. So that way you've got one side complete. Let's just use the Allen wrench. There's 1, there's 2. Okay, and then go back to the other side and complete the other side. So what I did is I flipped it up on its top so it's easier to push down, and then just hammer fist it so the pegs go in. You get the side into the pegs. And then it's just the four corners. So there's 1, there's 2, there's 3, and then the last side. And obviously make them all the way tight, and that's it. So I hope this helped you.